It was just another calm yoga class. Instructor moves into downward dog pose. Puppy watches curiously until someone unexpected joined in. Puppy stretches into a wobbly downward dog pose, slips dramatically. He tried his best, really. Humans giggle softly in the background. Puppy attempts tree pose, hops on one paw, falls over. Tree pose? More like tumble pose. Puppy finally nails cobra pose, lets out a proud bark. Nailed it, look at that form. Yoga class applauds the puppy. Puppy bows with a wagging tail. Namaste, little yogi. Text on screen. Subscribe for more pawsome moments.